According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, and they can prevent the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Regular intake of pomegranate juice can significantly reduce atherosclerotic lesions in mice, as well as decrease blood pressure. Because of these properties, pomegranate is likely cardioprotective and good to include as a part of a healthy diet. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components of this fruit help keep bad cholesterol from accumulating and thus help keep the arteries clear of any clots. 2. Prevent cancer. Pomegranates contain high levels of antioxidants called flavonoids. These flavonoids are known to counteract various cancer-causing free radicals. Regular consumption of pomegranates can reduce the PSA levels in the body and aid in the fight against existing cancer cells as well, according to research conducted by the American Cancer Society. A study suggests anti-cancer properties of pomegranate may help prevent the spread of cancer and also induce apoptosis. Another study suggests that pomegranate seed oil is rich in compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory potential and may inhibit the viability of breast cancer cells. 3. Lowers blood cholesterol levels. Pomegranate contains high amounts of polyphenols and other antioxidants that are 3 times more than what we find in green tea and red wine. These antioxidants can help lower bad cholesterol. Statistical data collected in a study involving some patients showed significant reduction in plasma LDL after consuming pomegranate juice. In another animal study, scholars revealed the lipid-lowering factors present in pomegranate juice and guided how it can be used in dyslipidemia. Further, it was also noted that phytosterols present in pomegranate could reduce serum LDL. 4. May boost fertility and increase testosterone levels. In mythology, pomegranate is considered to be an aphrodisiac fruit. Evidence-based clinical studies state that drinking natural pomegranate juice regularly lowers stress, reduces cortisol, promotes well-being, and increases sex drive in both men and women. Pomegranate juice also improves sperm quality and motility, boosts testosterone levels, increases epididymal sperm concentration, and decreases the rates of abnormal sperm in men. Another study proposes how pomegranate juice extract can impact sex hormones in females with polycystic ovary syndrome. The study further elucidates that pomegranate extract increases estrogen and testosterone levels. 5. May treat kidney stones. Several studies have linked oxidative stress to kidney stone formation. As previously discussed, pomegranate juice fights oxidative stress. A pilot study indicated that supersaturation of calcium oxalate could be lowered with pomegranate juice. Another